Auto Show and I'm Deepali Gadvi, your weekly updater of the world of automobile. ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ઓટો શોમાં હું તમને આપતી હોઉં છું બધી જ કાર્સ અને બાઇક્સ રિલેટેડ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન, પણ આજનો એપિસોડ છે એક સ્પેશિયલ. આજના એપિસોડમાં વાત કરીશું એક બાઇક રોડ ટ્રીપની. યંગસ્ટર્સને સૌથી વધુ અટ્રેક્ટ કરે છે બાઇક્સ, અને બાઇક્સ પર એડવેન્ચર કરવું હોય તો બધા જ બાઇક લવર્સનું એક જ ડ્રીમ હોય છે, અ બાઇક ટ્રીપ ટુ લેહ લદ્દાખ. અને હાલમાં જ અમદાવાદના મિસ્ટર શ્રીકાંત પાનીકર દ્વારા કરવામાં આવી એક રોડ ટ્રીપ અમદાવાદથી લેહ લદ્દાખ સુધી, અને આ ટ્રીપના એક્સપિરિયન્સ વિશે જાણવાનું છે આજના ઓટો શોના એપિસોડમાં. યંગસ્ટર્સનું સૌથી મોટું અટ્રેક્શન હોય છે એડવેન્ચર એન્ડ બાઇક્સ. જ્યારે આ વરસાદની સિઝનમાં કાર લઈને ટ્રીપ પર જતાં પણ 100 વાર વિચારવું પડે, ત્યારે બાઇક લવર્સ નીકળી પડ્યા છે બાઇક ટ્રીપ અને બાઇક રાઇડ પર. હાલમાં જ અમદાવાદના બાઇક લવર મિસ્ટર શ્રીકાંત પનીકરે એક્સપિરિયન્સ કર્યો હતો અમદાવાદથી લેહ લદ્દાખ સુધીની બાઇક ટ્રીપનો. Biking into and around Ladakh is the holy grail of biker trails anywhere in the world. Terrifying mountain passes, thin air, and the awe of the beauty around you, no other route offers as much. ત્યારે શ્રીકાંત પનીકરનો ઓવરઓલ એક્સપિરિયન્સ કેવો રહ્યો અને કઈ પ્રકારની મુશ્કેલીઓનો સામનો કરવો પડ્યો એ જાણવાનું છે ઓટો શોના આજના એપિસોડમાં.
Overall experience was amazing. In total, it was 16 days tour for me, probably 17 days, because I all the way rode from Ahmedabad to Leh, and other people who actually were with me from Manali, they shifted their bike to Chandigarh in transport. So for me, it was a long trip, but it was an amazing trip on this bike. Overall, it was good. You know, you cannot just sit and see the videos and experience that. You have to go there. You have to feel that. You know, the way you ride over there is completely different than we ride on highways, because at a certain point you don't get oxygen, and even if you're just walking for like 2-3 steps, you pant a lot. So that's the difference that we have on highways and the mountains. Mountain sickness is very bad over there. So we actually took a tablet known as Dianox for oxygen, but then that created acidity. So the next day onwards, we actually stopped it. I was like, okay, fine, whatever it is, we'll ride it. So that way it was tough. Hiccups were there because of the oxygen, because of, you know, there's a point where you don't get petrol for 365 kilometers. There is a last station of petrol pump. After that, you just get petrol after 365 kilometers. That was a bit a concern for these bikes, but then it just went on. I didn't know that, you know, it would perform so well to go there and reach there. So it directly went there. So I was happy about that. Other than that, other than the major accident thing, there was nothing. So if Priyank is listening, I'm really sorry that I had to leave you back. But then, you know, it was an amazing experience, yeah.
There is a famous Ladakhi saying, the land is so barren and the pass is so high that only our best friends or worst enemies would want to visit us. Quite fitting. પણ બધા જ બાઇક લવર્સનું એક જ ડ્રીમ હોય છે, અ બાઇક ટ્રીપ ટુ લદ્દાખ. અને લેહ લદ્દાખની ટ્રીપ માટે ઘણું ખરું પ્લાનિંગ પણ ખૂબ જ જરૂરી છે, કેમ કે ફક્ત 4 મહિના સુધી જ લદ્દાખના રોડ્સ પર બાઇક રાઇડ કરવાની પરમિશન હોય છે. When you consider that the roads leading to the Himalayan region of Ladakh are open for only 4 months in a year and remain snowbound for the remaining 8. લેહ લદ્દાખની બાઇક રાઇડ પર જતાં ઘણી બધી મુશ્કેલીઓનો સામનો કરવો પડે છે. હિમાલયાના એરિયામાં એન્ટર થતાં જ રાઇડર passes through some of the most breathtaking, challenging and awe-inspiring landscapes found on earth. A bike ride to Leh Ladakh by any means is not an easy one, since most parts of the roads are at altitudes of 13,000 feet and above in the Himalayas. In addition, the number of miles one can cover in a day depends on the road and weather conditions and the few places one can stay en route. This is where Srikanth Panikar step in with his experience, so you can call his motorbike ride to Ladakh as the ride of his life.
It is. See, I told you in the beginning that I bought this bike for it, and it actually went through. I mean, everybody has asked me this question because I have a huge biking group. So everyone before coming here, how did the bike perform? And bike was amazingly good. I mean, there was no, even if it was a less oxygen level thing, the bike was going smoothly. With the all the bad roads, it was amazing on the bad roads as well. So overall performance of bike is amazing. I mean, amazingly good. I have to take this to everywhere where there are no roads because I don't have to worry about this bike. You just don't have to worry about if there is a road or no road or bumps or whatever you come across, you just go through. So I'm planning probably November or October, November, I'll go to Arunachal Pradesh because they also don't have roads. So let's go to Arunachal Pradesh. There's no planning actually. I don't plan for trips. So one day, I mean, me and my friend wanted to do this Leh. And since long, I mean, there are a lot of things going on that, when should we do it and all that. But then we suddenly decided that, we'll just go, whatever it is, because the other group actually went with an organizer. So, they were actually planned. So we did not know whether we'll be able to make it to them or not, or probably, we'll stay back with them or any kind of help that they would provide us or not. We just planned. I said, okay, we'll just go and let's see what happens. Why didn't everything happen good?
તો મિસ્ટર પનિકરે અમદાવાદથી ઘણા બધા અલગ-અલગ સિટીઝમાંથી પસાર થઈને લેહ લદાખ સુધીની બાઇક ટ્રીપ કમ્પ્લીટ કરી. But it doesn't need much of an introduction. The road trip from Manali to Leh is legendary amongst bikers around the world. પણ એક બાઇક રોડ ટ્રીપ પર જતી વખતે ઘણા બધા સેફટી એસ્પેક્ટ્સને ધ્યાનમાં લેવા જરૂરી છે, જેમ કે બેસ્ટ બેકઅપ મેકેનિક્સ એન્ડ ગાઈડ્સ અવેલેબલ with the peace of mind of all your accommodation booked and sorted. Even every now and then I keep getting queries on the budget for Ladakh trip. So to be very frank, the budget of any trip including Leh Ladakh depends a lot upon person to person and the taste plus comfort he or she prefers. So now let's get to know from Mr. Panikar કે કોઈ પણ રોડ ટ્રીપ પર જતી વખતે કઈ બાબતોને ધ્યાનમાં રાખવી જરૂરી છે.
If you can afford a Tiger, or probably, the bullet thing is there, but then it doesn't survive as well. I mean, roads are so pathetic that you have to be, your endurance level has to be high. You have to be mentally very strong that, whatever comes, you'll just keep on riding because of the mountain sickness, many people just go and, they are not able to complete it in a stipulated time. They have to stay back for a couple of days. They have to get used to the atmosphere and all that. So the endurance level and the mental level has to be strong. I mean, lot of hiccups here and there. You just get scared of the passes that's there because it's just the other side of it is a valley. So if anything goes wrong, even if a small slip, it would take you nowhere. I mean, it's just gone forever. So that way the trip was, I mean, if you're planning for a trip, probably, you just have to make sure that don't worry about the roads because roads are not going to change ever. Safety, completely geared up. I am, a person who would completely gear up for long rides. Probably city, I'll not wear a helmet as well. But then if I'm going for a long ride, I'll wear helmets, I'll wear jackets, boots, and, riding pants, which has all the protection. And, believe me, I've got this from the Triumph jacket and the riding band.
ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, જે પણ યંગસ્ટર્સ પ્લાન કરી રહ્યા હોય તેમની બાઇક રોડ ટ્રીપ, તેમના માટે મિસ્ટર પનીકરનો એક્સપિરિયન્સ ખૂબ જ કામ આવશે. અને સાથે તેમણે જેમ જણાવ્યું કે ઘણા બધા સેફ્ટી આસ્પેક્ટ્સ પણ જરૂરી છે, તો આ બધી જ વસ્તુનું ધ્યાન રાખવું ખૂબ જ જરૂરી છે. એક નાનકડા બ્રેક બાદ વાત કરીશું હોન્ડાની ઓલ ન્યૂ MPV સેગમેન્ટની કાર મોબિલિયો વિશે.